Yeah, no, your missus isn't going to lose it at all. I'm going to count down from 10, and your missus will be at the back door yelling at you.
Well, why do you need a few hundred PSI? She doesn't even understand that. It was planned.
Told you.
Well, I've got a braid gun here, so seriously, if you can't pierce your ears,
I only counted to
you
6.
still recording?
I only got to count to 6 before she yelled out at you.
Fuck her, but you know, we've got a braid gun here. Braid is a really gay name. Got lots of knives here. Where's the fucking mirror? You recording?
Yeah.
Where's the mirror?
Well, you want to watch me pierce your ear?
No, I'll do it myself. You getting record?
I can see this ending badly. Why are you down the hospital? Mate shot myself in the head with a nail gun.
No, I'm just gonna... That's so over dramatic. All I'm not gonna do here is pierce my ear, man. You got it? You're focused? You got it?
Mm-hmm.
You focused? Is that good?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, it's all dark.
Well, fucking get it right, man, because it's gonna fucking hurt, man.
Well, I need light.
Oh! I get it?
No.
That's crap. I went through all that for nothing. Alright, come on. Turn the lights on, man. Alright, here we go, here we go. I need to push it a bit harder. Oh, fuck, that hurts already. Oh, what the fuck's going on here?
Probably not enough pressure.
Alright. Keep recording. You recording?
Yeah.
Is it bleeding out?
No.
Because I can do, if you can hold the mirror, doesn't really matter because I can hold the release back like this. And just, doesn't matter whether I shoot or not. Oh! You get it? I'm pretty sure that's something happened there, no?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's happened, it's happened, it's... Alright, your turn? My other ear or which one? Your turn or my ear?
I'm good.
Alright, we'll go this one. That didn't happen how I planned it, so...
Ryan, I'm only new at this, but you realise you're going to lose it when you go inside.
It's going to stop because I've got like coagulants and stuff happening in my body. It won't.
It's already blown right up.
No, it doesn't really matter. So we'll go this one. Shh. No, she's alright. No, come on. But you need to hold the mirror because I have no idea what's going on.
Well, let me take this off charge and we'll go into the light. That way you'll actually be able to video.
No.
Because
Well, you shoot me, and I'll just hold stuff. Well, no, hang on. I can do it. I can do it. I just hold up like this. That's not going to hit my brain, is it, if I let go?
Yeah.
I had 3 attempts. After you said yeah, that's going to hit your brain. Okay. So, from now on, you're in charge of shooting me, alright? I stand down.
This is the effects of many beers
No, I need to smoke.
and a fair amount of rums.
It's Brad guns, man. It's fucking harmless as fuck, man. And you go, oh! Don't shoot your face, but because you may go blind.